If you're not going for your baby, you have to see quotations, the church, you could so, say, first part, Deuteronomy chapter 6, verse 20 to 25, in Galatians 2:21. Say Galatians, be a person Galatians, I say, 6 chapter, but what Diana can now, when say, as my Paul can say, the old law, no, Jesus by no abolition, and the justification of any old law. There be no more law used to buy, and I know the justification. I want the justification. And why we call back so could Moses in Branosono. You are falling from grace. And I can say justification and then you nefi Emranosodia, Emrani justification, and then say you like a book. Sana Poka. Now I just say Deuteronomy 6 now for just say ye a contradictory Galatian. There be the law no canon, the law of Moses. And all can say, yeah, and then justification, and yet because oh Lord, Nebuno, Jesus Christ. So, and justification and then, and all come on. But what the other Galatians chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The main reason or the main purpose of Galatians, Paul come out and say, "Among say, sa oh Lord, no, and you no meaning the new law through Jesus Christ." On case emra ni wa ye ni so. Dabi, nemunu emra yi to see ano, enam Jesus Christ so. Nemunu enye mra na odi ma Israel for. We the odi ma Sabbath for mo be chiro. Okay, yenko. The next one John 3:13. Okotu John 3:13. And Oche say, Jesus say, no one has seen into heaven. Obi hanu wako heaven. Na obi say na Enoch na Elijah. Omunyina so mo ko heaven. Well, na e ampa so mo ko heaven na Enoch na Elijah. Because heaven, heaven. Obi onyankopon, the throne of God na. Well, to understand that, first of all, Yanko chapter 2 verse 31. We see Jesus Christ we the spirit no. When you go on iron, Amana anchor went for Hades. And one man when I'm so iron then Ampro. That means the body was in the tomb and then the spirit was in Hades. Exactly, or catch the thief on the cross. Today will be with me in paradise. And Jesus spirit no echo Hades. Now I can say Hades as I just say. Hades a baby. Si wu na si mi wu a yina your spirit no echo. The means what Bible no just say Hades no is what the power of death. Yes we see here in Matthew chapter 16 verse 18. But see meti masafu na the power of Hades cry no intimate preventing. And Hades no eye baby a wu a yina yeko. Yesu eso no den eko obi. Na ohonu no Hades no a Greek word enye brofu Hades. Na ohonu no yachiche mu you know. According to Luke chapter 16 no, verse 19 down, Nazareth we and also call Hades. Rich man so eko ye. But nyina call the same place because rich man no na be you no oil or bread. Na be a rich man or no bread, but be not Nazareth one na o wa unto. No no can say fa unsa be bonsum be bam take man na me bread. That is a phrase that just say or bread. And Abraham can say we man ya we o. Enti Yesu we no oko Hades but oko paradise. One go straight to his father. Anything okay John chapter 20 verse 17 I'm not sorry na Mary ban China. I said no kind. Or said do you not cling to me? Me so I have not yet descended to my father. Say Yesu ko ni father direct one somebody. He must make this statement say but also said I have not yet descended to my father. Touch me. It's Yesu we no oko paradise. Say no promise the rich man. Na paradise Hades no you other side no, you find Tartarus. Tartarus ye a beer woman omobre. Okay, 2 Peter chapter 2 verse 4 now. Peter can say, "Sa angels now, o man tra baby na kopo de ma no omo ye bonity na bon. O see o de o man den o de omo I mean hair. Some hair in a gloomy darkness. Say the word gloomy darkness in a Tartarus to be ready for judgment. Disobedient. Jude chapter 1 verse 6 so echo the same thing. Also chain of eternal chains. Greek kasem no Tartarus. And in Hades no you Tartarus and you paradise. And it is a wua na se wo ye ni yakopon ye ya udi yakopon asem so a spirit no ekode ada se be ko Tartarus ana se ebe ko paradise. Atwen wo hono mo. Oho ani obia wo sesi a ye ko twen wo hono. Anytina Revelation chapter 1 verse 18 Onyakopon Yesu only John kasa no o si fear not, I am the first and the last. Meaning number 1, meaning number A to Z no. That is the beginning and the end no. Meaning no. Ano kajen say okajen say me na me wu ye no but and then me alive. Na me true forever. And then I have the key of what? Hades. Jesus said I have the key of Hades. Now, at the end, you know, Hades, Jesus Christ said, it will be destroyed. Okay, Revelation chapter 20. Or see, Hades will be destroyed. And you know, so who says here, direct, you call Hades. Now, Hades, you know, either say, Obako Chen or paradise, and now Obako Chen or Tartarus. And Jesus Christ said, no one has ascended to the heaven except the Son and Papa and Noka. And Elijah, anyway, we know, man call Onyakopon direct, no umina paradise or much. Sa paradise in Tartarus, I had to say, so paradise, I had to say, you are already saved. And I want Tartarus, I also say, we are no. And at the end, na Yesu bebano. Any woman ya was assassin no. Any woman more price no. They will go to Onyakopon. Now woman more assassin no di boni no. Any woman more Tartarus no. Omo no bonsan. Ebeko. Na Hades is no more. Sa na Bible no ka. Intina yampa Elijah eni Enoch no. Oma go direct. Heaven will be Onyakopon. Nemu no omo call Hades. The unseen of the dead. Ana obeko tu biom osi washing hands. I want to cry then echinje about hokra osi washing hands no. Yesu o hokra no ye Yesu no. Ya o chese e o se ka Yesu hu se udidi a na ohro nsa na ye hygienic. They say yes no nyasa. Well, so we come Matthew chapter 12 verse 31 down. Jesus said, because I send you the catch every can after no there. When I come beating the channel. So it's a sam kwa na come beating when I come the channel. Nemu no obi obeka reject the Holy Spirit no. When I come find body channel that. I didn't know what is the meaning. I am stupid things not why they not what can send from by Jesus, but actually no we're changing what deep assembly because Onyakopon assembly no say Onyakopon assembly say no e won konkon na mesia for no chiro he 1 Corinthians chapter 2 verse 11 to 12 Paul say e won konkon na chiro he and 2 Peter 1:20 so Peter say e won konkon na won chiro he and it is won konkon na say wo anya ni a nyame assembly dia then forever you are lost. But so ye Yesu that church no wo why born na so o si there be enya sa na so be di onyame Yesu asem so a you be forgiven. Sa na Yesu ka ho na asema ye washing hand no it is nim say nipa bi nyasa pa o ni bi asema na omo ka Yesu eni Pharisee for no ka enya say say oh enye say boni ho enye omo nka say wo ro hu say hygienico enye no mo kan wo omo che say wo hu say boni. But yes no there say enye say yes no ade oni say dwene bi homa wo bedi a wo say wo ro nsa enye no no kan wo say dem no o kire wo say wo tradition kire say ma ya onipa obi a wo ro nsa e boni that be enye say na Bible no kire and yes no he was not contrary to the law no on kase law dem no or ka interpretation of the law no kire say so wo ro nsa ene kire say e boni no ene kwa na individual edwene bi ono ma wodi a wo ye wo nsa ono ma ko madonna na mkodidi a ko ya edwane na okoro enye no na Yesu wa kan asem na emu no o kire mo se obi didi na se wa wo nsa enye bone na emu ne e bone se ne efiu mu ba no na obobo odin ene no kan asem we very simple to common sense na obi a ono why na dey say ono de a friend hater of God obi o no o tanya me ne de sa no be kan. But enye sana Matthew 15 no kan. And oba and see obeko to tempt James 1 no just God Abraham was tempted but James just say God tempts no one. Oh, we very simple. Obi already 1 month to Church of Christ and with me answer that question. The word tempted, try and tested no the same word. Who can verse 1 James said say Unyakopon e try e ma ye di onyam na say ye diswa ye benya nkwaji e the same tempt na na mu no obedu verse 13 no James ka say Unyakopon no ofa enye bone no de tempt ye onu de say Unyakopon e tempt ye e try ye na mu no ofa bone enye bone no de try ye sana James super search no verse 13 no yes Abraham was tempted no every say or tribe say or say oh Gideon nemunu James no ka say David odami de or try nemunu enye on try on fa boni and try nemunu ya kono de na say ye diswa anye de ko wu sana na oka on ka say on yakopon try and sada the word tempt no a word be a obetime use no in a good way obetime use in a bad way sana James can I say the word jealousy say which may use in a bad way, in a wrong way. 2 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 2. Paul say I jealous you Corinthians with the godly jealousy. Oh, which me am so I do I could probably jealousy, but say me yen no maintain on your yen. And which me I jealous so obi so the same word, you know, which may use in the wrong way say utan obi. You jealousy him because was so yen body. Sir, and the word tempt, you know, actually. You can use somebody you got and you know tempt now James will come and or can say yes Yakopon e try me no onye bon no try dem yo bonsan no dey bon try dem bon kwapo no Yakopon ama kwa everything escape. Okay then the next quotation here the next one was Luke chapter 14:25 was it Jesus say hate yentimi hate nipa ne ade ne ade sasa no kan na no enye ntro you can Matthew account no crampo na Matthew 10:34 no crampo no you use sword as an example Matthew account no as a metaphor say na sword e divide ni pem which means divide me no sir because sir the Greek word no mashara no ha yes Christ use no na o kire say hate no so the same thing on say hate no a very delicate word obetimi and they say, "Obi bet me, I hate you because you can't correct yeah." And who bet me, I hate you because you can't umpe na say hate you. And yes, you know, can say son beba there because who can look now or say one foul cross and when did now one foul cross and didn't here or soften there, then you cannot be my disciple. And you know what you say. So we catch us say now catch now or see who this one. Then they say who no want me here disciple Jesus. Nemo no. O can credit no. Romo o can credit no. Intend no with me I hate you. Jesus say and no say to me a basana then you are on my side. Because who can Romans chapter 12 now. All chese Paul say yen no nyame. Yen no yunuano. Also obi krampo na otanfo kra do no. Jesus golden rule okay. Osi obia osi love your enemies. Enemies go for you no. Ntinaka how say Jesus be baby no aka say hate you be. Then o kire say o ka kire for no krampo say because of me you will be hated. And inside word hated no. Now the Greek word na missiono and the Greek word you two Greek word. The first one is theogitos. And only haters of God will be on what is it on penyamia sem kwa. Kwata sem kwa no ka. And a missiono so no bit me I hate you. I say be why bonny. And I say no bit me I hate you because papa na oyama on. And asema Yesu can say obi unia umame ana papa ana weire can say men ni nyame achi men di Yesu eti na koyese ya then it is there you decide na say you decide na there will be hatred between you and no can one say no on ka say yenko hate obi or in a wrong side no and the same thing is the war hating so no the same you can use it in a good sense you can use it in a bad sense. But na Yesu can because Yesu no to me ka say yen no no yen say Paul can say obi krampo komodoa mani bibidi ohun o say opensio kwa no mani bi no na wo yesa no ube yi jebidie ni ejawom efinity ho that phrase no say in doing so no you are going to turn your enemy into friend. Na say Paul no nyina kasa how say Yesu be kasa go try be no there be or you should the word hate no in a right way because say the Trinity no you be hated and also be hate you and no then you choose between Jesus or between your mother or your father. Sana Yesu can one and you know and you know that quotation you ma we nyina bibi say enye quotations are a contradiction cry na mo no ayentiase se woni wisdom Solomon se woni bia Bible no obe cancer obetimi I cancer untiase eno the wise no eno na o kan the book of Proverbs now verse 13 verse 20 now o say obi a one wise people no more wisdom no o say only one nantia also be wise. Na say only fool for an antia. At the end no, we get trouble kwa. Sir, na say okan the book of Proverbs na. The main key word no say wise, foolish, wise, foolish, wise, foolish. When we enter most of the cases no, I organ no judges no. Oh say, you cry one. And your common sense in the waiting with their kind be no be. Nemo no say obetiase. Now practical way no. No atiase no. And no wisdom no na won here. And say you engineer James can say and yen the yen pie no. Because can be one mouth to say you the two one. Say the say we no case with the here so be called prison. No case with the here say woman first warning. Oh case with the say say you no a wisdom. Common sense do bia obi. Na so be so ti Bible na say I will say you call I say go school class 1 class 2 class 3 no. Common sense will be more nyina will be. Na Bible no nyame asem because it's the wisdom of God. So we tell say pa. Entina all can I only do for boasting. Me cry be me wa cry Jew. Ye ka say Jew a man e Jew. Hey Paul no time no Jesus no time nyina ye ka say be a Jew. How do you define Jew? You find a Jew by knowing whose tribe you're from. You define a Jew by knowing which tribe. So what you mean can't tribe of fear on you Jew. Sa hey opa mo de asema make opa wo a wonni Jew ni bia no is an say of tribe ben. Oni obi ni wa up to today Jew ni bia obetaka tribe of fear. Ale Edomite eso ni crofo no ye Jew for ana. O be Jew. Moses ne yire Zipporah onye Jew ni onye Ethiopian ni. It's like a Moses man so come you Jew for the descendant no come so you Jew for. But anything that Jew you can Jew Israel na nyame ntia nyame asem no mu gi anything na mo be special Jew no na ye by birth Enti na on ka say raba did I also say me no me nyame asem no Kofi bisa no say dabi why they common sense na ye bibia common sense na Kofi bisa say into polygamy dabi or say something because homosexual how also said that we have the law of the land. But so be a fan of dreaming no pa. Then who had the right to go and make the law of the land? Wait, come on, wait. Oh, and I'm say, and you never be on my who did young son, the soul chassis, and yet come say, and you continue to trim your cousin, young sanko, Adrenco. Young sanko, Adrenco. Okay, Obia in your pen. Who is going to make the law of the land? Who? So who in your pen, Miss Yen, then who? Who be like an animal in the bush, Obia in your pen. I think the common sense no enye common sense ne yeliti Bible na say David obet onyakopo asem no so obeti ase a wisdom but ye can million time wo the Bible no ba wo be ko tu say a contradiction million time ye be ba ya be church no say enye sa say me a wo ma o ma dwimu e ba home no confusion no obeti ase enti onia sa passage no ko tu ni nyina no enye say contradiction nemo no on tiase because of our common sense only wisdom also the last year no dey buy or say a contradiction I boni na to go and then sisi ade dey or say yes sir na we say we nyina no then no Solomon and dey agi unti Bible na say we Solomon we be cancer we dey my graduate ni we be cancer on tiase na. And you know, James say, "You're bumpire, you know me, my Solomon also bumpire, so nyame, but me nyansa, but me wisdom. Say me a meeting there, it will really make me grow. You know me, man. But one thing is say, or say Onyakopo, or say yes, Obonsam yes, Jesus Christ, because Onyakopo ni Bibia and so Obonsam. Oh. And nipa da se nipa ni nyansa se Onyakopo yes Onyakopo bo bibia oni bibia but say the power of choice no when you feel omo bia the power of choice Onyakopo ni bibia nso no obese wa uchusu anything na Onyakopo am boy it is a robot sanko it is a robot anko hu nya so boy the power only the power of choice omo bia one fair was that when or the mobia yes oni bibia there but you choose. Why individual choose nya say ade obeje dia na say unyini entino o ka say Obonsam yes Obonsam yes Obobia but Obonsam no sa the power of choice no odi man no odi ma obia no o choose here okay entino Onyakopo ni bia no kire say onim so Obonsam be bon ntino onkunu na dey say onim say nipa be brain so be bon yanto onkunu so yes dia there say the power of choice ni here there say o so ko boy say robot. So robot so on one we control bibia on your baby one yes it is moi and it's a nipa say we are different from animals we talk about bombs lion upa lion fan brefie hey who didn't brefie akola onya one hwini one dey oba hwe of you and we say say e born no but nipa say ni otimi di bonia but something di kekra because he had the power of choice in war and the power of choice in one man how would God condemn us how would God judge us. Enti na Onyakopo e de ni mra na mai na oni na mo se o hia mra o hia se ni se enyanu mo me hwe ni yo se on ti Bible na se asua na nipa bibre Bible no mo kan keke o mo ti ase ana bibre so no Bible ko no mo sua po obit ma hwe nhira from Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday Sunday obetwa be Bible no and say o dem John 3:16 man go on to me church ase anyano as you sorry I see Christo obi ka say Christ Jesus Christo one second Jesus Christo Jesus who is Jesus you cannot even defend who is Jesus. Obi se oji so onyame ba obi se Onyakopo ne mu no onyame ba obi se o onyame na ye bompa efe ne mu keke well ye na me ase na ye lessons no ba e be kire who Jesus is se be a boniti a obi mu say yes Jesus Christ no o Onyakopo pa na ye be sere anti ma mu tie no mo dia ne sua onyame let's see a Bible. Media me can be a and be teachers. But one thing you say, but more than also to make defend the Bible, we defend Jesus Christ. The hamper preaching is different from teaching. Preaching the answer to for preaching, teaching there was all you know you test over, not was plain. And no, and I be brave with my case almost 95% of Ghana. Come on to me. Come on to me. Who didn't say that to a prophet? Apostle, near the Kekano. I don't know, woman to me. And when I saw my dog preaching, you'll be able to my show, be 1 month, will be condition will be on my easy with me preaching, but teaching what to me. Tell you, we share Bible. Send me a bit me defend the Bible. Now, a bonnie for a dozen pa. Almost almost done it. Yes, because all my office will be defending you. Yet you say defending, yet you say defending. You defending, you share Bible, you defending. One my jobs and back on what to pull also because what the Bible say. You want the form trying to us, or what you trying to us? I was only facing darkness have to run away from the light. And so let's say the brain share Bible, you know, you want to ban what to ban what to know or see me out. Why? If you say, share Bible, no. Till share Bible, no. Now, but more than less than I had about more than a TV. Let's start with Jesus. Who is Jesus? Don't see a soon, Nana. And I said, yes, yes, soon. Since yes, soon, the enemy can cruise for you, a debony, bonny, Nessa was soon 1 year. Maybe a chill one, who is Jesus? It is Naminka in now. Stay tuned with the lessons number. Jesus' name. Amen.